Good evening. It was noticeably milder and a little less humid today over most parts of the country as fresh to strong southeasterly trade winds prevail. High pressure near the North Island of New Zealand dominates our weather right now, with fresh onshore trade wind flow bringing showers to the maritime islands of Lau and Lomaiviti as well as Kadavu and the windward coast of the main islands. Cloud clusters scattered from central Vanuatu northwards towards the equator are associated with waves in the easterly trade wind flow and will not affect Fiji. Bands of showers and thunderstorms can be seen north and south of Samoa. These cloud systems will not affect Fiji either. The fresh to strong southeast trade winds are forecast to continue through the coming weekend, keeping temperatures milder and humidity comfortable. However, passing showers are likely above the south and east of the country in the fresh trade wind flow. Fine and mild tomorrow over the west with a mix of sun and clouds. Mostly sunny in the morning, however, we can expect a few clouds about later in the day. Fresh southeast winds. Generally fine up north with a mix of sun and clouds, mostly cloudy with a few showers along the windward coast of Taveuni and Vanuatu, but long fine spells are likely also. Fresh southeasterly winds. Continuing mostly cloudy and humid over the central and eastern divisions with a few showers more likely in the afternoon or evening. Moderate southeast winds fresh during the day. Southeasterly winds fresh to strong over coastal waters with strong wind warnings current. Moderate to rough seas and swells over open waters, especially over Lau and Lomaiviti and through inter-island passages. Mariners, please exercise caution if you are contemplating going out on coastal waters. The peak of the weekend weather will be over in the west. Weather is going to stay grey and damp for the most part above the maritime islands of Lau and Lomaiviti and the windward coast of the main islands as trade winds continue fresh to strong. There are no concerns regarding any hazardous weather in our region for the next few days, but as always, please check in with us on our Facebook page or go to www.nandraki.com to find more handy weather information. From the Nandraki and My TV team, good evening.